So, what makes onion juice so effective for hair growth? Onions are packed with sulfur, a mineral that boosts collagen production, the same protein responsible for hair structure and strength. This means stronger strands and fewer breakage issues. Onion juice also contains antioxidants that fight free radicals, protecting your scalp from premature hair thinning and aging. And the best part? It improves blood circulation to the hair follicles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients for faster growth. Number 1. Stimulates hair regrowth. Studies show that onion juice helps awaken dormant follicles and encourages new hair to sprout, especially in thinning areas. Regular use can lead to visible density improvement. Extra benefit: it also strengthens weak hair roots, which helps prevent future thinning. So you're not just regrowing hair, you're maintaining it too. 2. Reduces hair fall. Thanks to its sulfur content, onion juice strengthens hair shafts and minimizes breakage from the roots. This makes your hair more resilient against daily damage. Extra benefit: over time, consistent use can help balance your scalp's pH levels, reducing excess oiliness that often contributes to hair shedding. 3. Fights dandruff and scalp infections. Onion juice has antibacterial and antifungal properties that cleanse the scalp, reducing dandruff and itching naturally without harsh chemicals. Extra benefit: it also unclogs hair follicles by removing product buildup and dead skin, allowing your scalp to breathe and absorb nutrients more effectively. 4. Adds shine and smoothness. When applied properly, onion juice improves hair texture and gives dull, lifeless hair a beautiful, natural shine. It's like a mini spa treatment for your scalp. Extra benefit: onion juice also helps seal the hair cuticles, locking in moisture and reducing frizz, which leaves your hair silky and manageable. 5. Delays premature graying. The antioxidants in onions help protect hair pigment cells, which can slow down early graying and keep your hair looking vibrant longer. Extra benefit: it also improves melanin production, the natural pigment responsible for your hair's color, helping your strands retain their youthful tone for longer. Here's how to make and use it effectively. Peel and blend 1 to 2 red onions. Strain the mixture to extract the juice. Apply the juice directly to your scalp using a cotton ball or applicator bottle. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation. Leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour, then wash with a mild shampoo. To reduce the smell, you can mix the onion juice with aloe vera gel, rose water, or a few drops of essential oil like lavender or rosemary. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. A few quick tips before you start. Always do a patch test first to avoid irritation. Consistency is key. Natural remedies take time. Combine this routine with a healthy diet, hydration, and gentle scalp massages. If you stay consistent, you'll start seeing visible improvement in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. Thicker, shinier, and healthier hair from root to tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my playlist for more natural hair growth secrets. See you in the next video.